Mechanics don't scam people because they are evil. They scam people because many car owners don't understand cars. Ignorance is their biggest spare parts. Follow me carefully, because in this video, I will not just expose the lies that mechanics do tell people. I will equally teach you how you can respond to such lies and get the right solution. I will show you how you can negotiate and save money without fighting anybody. Remember what I said. Mechanics don't scam you because they are evil. No. They scam you because you don't understand cars. Ignorance is their biggest spare parts. And most times, many mechanics don't fix cars. They fix people. Once you come looking confused, the money they will charge you will double. Once you come looking confused, you don't know what to do, you don't know things about cars, they will come on. So follow me carefully as I take you through this journey. It's going to be a very small but long journey, just a few minutes longer than usual, right? Number one scam is, Oga, your engine no good, we need to open it. Listen, this one is classic lies that they tell people who look confused. Maybe what happened to your car might be sensor issue, might be hose, maybe small, maybe plug issue. But because you look confused, they will tell you your engine is weak, we need to open it. Listen, opening engine is expensive and it's risky. So what you will ask whenever they tell you that nonsense, ask them, what result did you conduct for you to say my engine is weak? If there is no comprehension test done, if there is no scan result or a clear, very clear reason given, do not allow them open your engine, because engines don't die by vibes. Engine no they die because somebody say you don't die. Before your engine car dies, you gonna say that you be the most careless driver on earth. It takes time for car engine to die. So if peradventure they make that statement to you, ask them, simple, what test did you conduct? Can I see the test results? Because somebody cannot just come and tell you your engine does spoil like that. No. This. Once you ask any mechanic, what test did you conduct? Can I see the scan result? Can I see the compression test? The person will calm down. The person will not rush again. The person will know that, okay, you are learned, you know something. Very simple as that. Okay? Number two scam is, Oga, your gearbox is having issues. Once they make mention of your gearbox, fear enters most of you. Because most mechanics, they don't, small thing, gearbox is their favorite, right? So, but what will you do whenever they mention gearbox? Listen, first of all, what causes gearbox to have issue? It's either you are having low transmission oil or you have dirty transmission oil. Secondly, it could be sensor issues. Sensor issues. You see, so whenever they come up with that jamboree story, your gearbox is having issue, what will you do? The first response is that, okay, no problem, let us change oil first. You see, at the end of the day, you see that 30k oil that you change will save you from 800k gearbox that you are going to buy. Many times, I'm telling you, many times, changing of oil fixes any gearbox issue. I'm telling you. So you tell them, let's change oil first. After you change oil, scan it. You will see most times your problem is fixed. It is not, majority of gearbox issues is as a result of low or dirty transmission oil, sensor issues, or mount issues. They pass these three things. They pass them. And once these three things, they're okay, your gearbox will be fixed. But because you do not understand car, once they mention gearbox, boom, you start running up and down. Some of you will just go and buy new gearbox. Spend money unnecessarily. What's common change of oil you would fix? You will go and change new gearbox. And you will see change oil after changing that new gearbox. Mechanic. Number three scam is this part, the original. This is not motor parts, but they'll just bring one part and say, this is original part. Listen carefully. In Nigeria, we have three types of parts. We have original parts, we have OEM, we have fake with confidence. Now, once they say this part is original one, I just bought the original part for you, I want to change it. Ask them, what is the part number. Every original part comes with number. Ask for the part number. Ask for the country of manufacture, which country manufactured these parts, right? And thirdly, ask for the price. Then when the person tells you the price, compare it online. Go online immediately and compare the original parts with what the person is saying. Then check the price. If online the original part is costing, let's say 130,000, and this person wants to sell it to you at 15 or 20 or 30k, my friend, respect yourself. That is not an original part. That is not an original part. So if you do this very well, if you just ask this for these three things: part number, the country that manufactured it, and then the price, compare it online. You will see whether it's original or not. It's very simple. Do not allow greed and say original part cheap. You think you want to cheat. You think you want to cheat mechanic. Your mind now, you go fit chop mechanic don't know prices of parts. Saying you can't do mistake for original parts, can't sell them cheap to you. It's a joke. No go whine yourself. No go whine yourself. Scam number 4, changing what is not broken. Some mechanic will change what is not the problem. You will come for brake noise, they will change suspension. You come for overheating, they will change your thermostat, they will change fan, they will change radiator, they will change. No. How do you fix that? Once you come to a mechanic workshop and they say this is the problem, the one will change this part or that part, okay? And then they change the part. Test the car first. Don't allow them change another thing. Test as they are changing it. Test. Sometimes shotgun will save you plenty money. They will just, many times they want to change everything. now your pocket will tell you. So to save cost for yourself, as they are changing, based on what I've also explained to you before, how you can change, as they are changing it, be testing it. Don't just allow them to change everything before you test. Body go tell you. Body go how to protect yourself. Listen carefully. Number 1, always ask why. Always ask for the bad parts. Always ask for it. Thirdly, always use OBD scanner. Even cheap ones will save you a lot. OBD scanner, always make use of it. Get a cheap one, it will help you. Number 4, always seek second opinion. Don't just go to one mechanic and then start out of fear you rush to repair. No. Once this person have said this is a problem, no problem. Seek another opinion. Call another mechanic, go to another mechanic and verify. Look at what my car is doing. Look. If you cannot drive your car, they explain. If you can drive your car, they drive it there and tell the person, look at what's wrong. Get second opinion before you start repairing. If what this person is saying is the same thing, you repair. If this person is saying different thing, is saying another different thing, you know there is a problem. So you have to seek for the third option so that you will not compare and construct and choose who will repair your car for you. Don't just depend on one person say this, you start repairing. No. Second opinion always helps you make the right decision and know what is right and what is wrong. All right, and don't rush repairs. Many times a driver who is calm it's difficult to be scammed. But if you're always in a hurry, you're always panicking, they will scam you woto scamming.